Hello everyone, it's Ashley A., co-founder of Pressed by You. I'm super excited to show you why we are not just another press-on nail company, we are a virtual nail salon experience. What does that mean? I'll show you. This video is a walkthrough tutorial of our website and how to place orders with us. Let's get started. Our Shop Now button is going to take you into our main showroom, showcasing all the press-on nail sets and accessories we have to offer. However, if you look at the shop menu, you will see we have Premier Nails and Made to Order Nails. Our Premier Nails are our ready to ship nails. They require no sizing kit and you will get them in 3 to 5 business days. Let's take a look at the Scarlet Nails, for example. All of our nails front display just has the one nail, but when you click into the nail, you can see the thumbnails that show you more of a range of what the set looks like. We want our site to feel like walking into a showroom. No sizing kit is needed for the Premier line. It comes with 30 nails, professional nail glue, a cuticle pusher, nail file, adhesive tabs. You've got everything you need. Now let's go over to our made to order nails. Made to order nails mean exactly what it sounds like. They are made when you order them. Hand painted by a certified PBY nail tech and custom to fit your nail beds. Let's open up the Maybell set and review the order instructions. Before placing your order for made to order nails, you'll need a nail sizing kit, or if you don't have one, simply go to our How To tab to view our virtual sizing method. Our made to order designs are hand painted by a licensed Pressed by You nail technician and tailor made to fit your hands. Made to order designs come with 15 gel nails, 10 nails for each finger on both hands, and 1 extra nail for each finger on one hand. You will not be able to add a made-to-order nail set to your cart without filling out the sizing drop-downs. If you don't have a sizing kit for your nails, again, no problem. Go to the main menu, hover over How It Works, and choose the Virtual Sizing Method drop-down. Press play on the nail hack video, which will instruct you to take 2 separate pictures of your right and left hands with a dime next to each hand. Then simply email those pictures to us at info@pbynails.com. Once we've reviewed those pictures, a Pressed by You nail tech will email you with your nail sizes within 24 hours. Traditional sizing kits are available under our shop tab by clicking on accessories. You can get one, however, it is more convenient to just use the virtual sizing method. Here's my favorite part. Here's where it gets juicy and we really stand out. If you don't see a nail set that you love, that's not a problem. Just go back to our main menu, choose the Custom Consultation tab, click on Book an Appointment, and schedule an online custom consultation with one of our Pressed by You nail techs. We will make you the perfect press-on nails per your imagination. Whether you're going to a special event, you need a gift for someone, you're going to a wedding, a gender reveal, and you need pink and blue nails, you want to match your heels in your closet, it don't matter, we will make them for you. Last but not least, if you have any questions or concerns, visit our contact tab and email us at info@pbynails.com. While you're there, sign up for our newsletters to stay up to date on our latest products and promotions. Hit that subscribe button. Pressed by You is on all major social platforms. Hit the follow button, and what you'll see is us being silly, goofy. We love to post, nail art inspiration. We make videos all the time. Our favorite is TikTok, so definitely follow us on TikTok. I'm always on TikTok. We're also on IG. You can follow us there. Facebook, we're everywhere, but TikTok is my favorite, I'm gonna be honest. If you made it to the end of this video, I will send you a sizing kit and a 50% off coupon code. All you have to do is follow us, hit the like button, leave a comment letting us know you watched. Thanks for watching and rocking with Pressed by You.